In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Bluetooth on Windows 10. Whether you're looking to connect headphones, a keyboard, or any other Bluetooth device, this guide will walk you through the simple process of enabling Bluetooth on your Windows 10 device. So let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Start menu on your desktop. It's that iconic Windows icon found typically in the bottom left corner of your screen. Once you open it up, you'll see a variety of options and applications. Among these selections, you should see Settings. This is where we need to go next. Clicking on Settings will open a new window with different categories available for you to tweak and customize the various features on your computer. The area we are interested in today is Devices. Go ahead and click on that. Once you find yourself in the Devices section, look towards the left-hand portion of the window for the tab labeled Bluetooth and other devices. It's here where all the magic happens if you want to connect other gadgets wirelessly to your PC or laptop. After clicking on this tab, you're now in the right spot to manage your Bluetooth connections. Under the Bluetooth and other devices section, you'll notice an option to switch Bluetooth either on or off. If it's your first time setting this up, you might find it switched off by default. Go ahead and toggle that switch to the on position, and just like that, you've activated Bluetooth on your Windows 10 device. This can be done on any laptop or PC that is equipped with a Bluetooth supported motherboard. Now, if you have additional Bluetooth devices you'd like to connect, you can do so by looking for a plus icon with the words Add Bluetooth or other devices next to it. Clicking on this icon allows you to begin adding new devices. When you select this option, a pop-up window will appear, prompting you to choose which type of device you'd like to add. Naturally, you'll want to select Bluetooth. After making this selection, your computer will automatically begin scanning for available Bluetooth devices in the vicinity. Make sure your Bluetooth accessory is in pairing mode so that your Windows 10 device can detect and connect to it. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to enable Bluetooth on Windows 10 and add new devices. Remember, if you encounter any connectivity issues, it's always a good idea to check that both the computer and the device you're trying to connect are within a reasonable range. Doing so ensures a stable and efficient connection. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and feel free to leave a comment if you have any additional questions or need further assistance.